In this video, I will be showing you how to connect Notion with ChatGPT. Let's get started. I'll start by switching tabs from ChatGPT over to my Notion account. From my home workspace dashboard, I click on my account settings drop-down menu in the top left corner, then navigate over and select settings from the pop-up options. Inside the preferences menu, I select Notion MCP from the left-hand panel, then locate and click on the ChatGPT option under the list of external AI apps. This automatically redirects me back to ChatGPT, where an application connection prompt opens up. I click on the Connect button in the upper right corner of the window. A security pop-up appears, and after reviewing the details, I click on Continue to Notion Legacy at the bottom. This opens a final confirmation screen asking to bridge the tools. I review the listed workspace details and verify the permissions, then click the blue Continue button to proceed. ChatGPT will process the integration for a moment. Once it finishes loading, a green success banner appears confirming that Notion is now connected. I can close out of the application settings window by clicking the X icon in the top left corner. Now, I move down to the main prompt bar to test the connection. I click the plus icon on the left side of the input field to open the options menu, select More, and then select Notion to use the application. With the tool active, I click into the text input area and type. Create a simple daily task list for a virtual assistant. Include task name, priority level, and deadline. Format the output as a clean table suitable for Notion. After sending the prompt, ChatGPT works on generating a structured daily checklist according to my formatting instructions, detailing multiple administrative duties alongside specific deadlines and their corresponding urgency status. Once the initial table is complete, I notice a secondary suggestion from the AI offering to convert this directly into a live Notion database. I click into the bottom chat box again and simply type, OK, to authorize it. ChatGPT immediately begins running the application request to pass this information directly into my Notion account. After a few seconds, the tool confirms the database has been successfully generated and provides a live link right in the chat interface. I click directly on the generated URL link, which prompts an external site confirmation pop-up. I click Open Link to switch over to my workspace. The browser opens a brand new page containing my fully structured virtual assistant daily tasks database, complete with custom columns for task name, deadline, and priority level. To demonstrate how it functions, I click on the empty input line below task name and type in code. Next, I click into the neighboring deadline column, which pulls up an interactive calendar where I click to set the date to June 18, 2026. Finally, I move over to the priority level column, open its drop-down menu, and choose High. Everything is fully synced and ready to manage. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.